you guys want to see how this look was done, carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. Let's get started. We're going to start off with the face. So I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to prime my face with the Angel Veil Primer from NYX. I really do feel like the products do really lay nicely on top of this primer, like my foundation and my concealer. When I used to apply my products before, I sometimes would get, you know, like when it starts separation. But I feel when I use this primer, I don't actually get that anymore. So I really do like it. I'm going to add some color corrector under my eyes because you can see I look very drowsy and tired right now. So I'm going to add that on, and just on any little blemishes that I have on my face at the moment. I'm going to apply all of my face products, my foundation, my concealer, my contour, blend that all out and just get the face done. I'm going in with my MAC NC42. Just going to apply a little bit of this right under my eye here. I'm going to apply my contour. Apply my Infallible concealer from L'Oreal. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I'm just going to add that into the areas that have no product. I'm going to blend out my concealed areas first. I neaten up my brows, and I just use a little bit of my leftover foundation. I like neatening up my brows with foundation more than I do with concealer. So concealer is more dry, it can be a bit too harsh as well. Okay, so now that the face is done, I'm going to go in and prime my eyelids with Rumour Zero. You lot know when Rumour Zero comes out, it's about to be a poppin' look. I'm going to go into my BPerfect palette, and I am going to go into Haul. Gonna go into Intuition. Lights Out, which is basically black, and just add a bit here just to darken it because I want a more chocolatey, deep chocolatey colour. So I'm gonna add the blue into the cut crease. So we are going to do the same on the other side. Okay guys, so my eyes are done. I'm loving it. As my look is almost done, I'm going to go in and contour and set my face. I'm gonna use my Maybelline powder and go all over my face. I'm gonna add some liquid liner, but not a wing. I'm just gonna add it on my lash line. So I'm gonna go in with Hoola. Again with Lights Out, just darken it up a little bit. Okay guys, so I am back, changed my outfit, let my hair down. Now I'm gonna just do my lip and then the look will be done. I'm going to go in with my dark brown lip liner. And this is the look, dolls. So I did a blue and brown eyeshadow look for you dolls. I actually saw something similar on Instagram and I got inspired, so I thought I'd do my own. And this is what I came up with. If you lot are feeling this look, comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you dolls in my next video.